Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here you can see with me this wonderful 2013 Toyota Highlander 4-wheel drive. It came for the regular maintenance, which means engine oil and filter change, cabin air filter, engine air filter, everything was fine. And the last item today, what remains, is this rear wiper. I hope you can see in this difficult lighting. I hope you can see the streaks which are left on that rear window on this hatch. That means the blade is either damaged or gone, so let's go look at it. Basically, if you lift it just to look at it, oh, I can see it right away. The blade, that nice pointy sharp part, that rubber, is completely gone. It fell off. So this has to be replaced. There's no question about it. And as you can see, I cannot really lift it further than here, and I won't be able to replace that. So we start with removing this plastic part. Now you have to be careful, obviously, but I will grab this part and kind of separate it, and it should come off. Yep, this is fantastic. Let me show you detail of that. So here maybe a little bit of detail. You can see how it creates the space for that wiper to move it further away from that glass, from the rear window, and replace that. So I will continue finally with lifting this arm completely up, and we can actually look really in the detail that the part of the blade is completely missing. Let's try to focus on it, because that's always fascinating how the stuff ends up. If you look at that surface, there should be that sharp, nice edge of that rubber, and that completely separated, fell off, and it's gone. Now I should be able easily disconnect this plastic arm from the vehicle's arm, just moving it this way. Let's see if it's true. Did you break it, Peter? Hopefully not. So this is the arm, this is how it looks like. And basically you can buy it aftermarket or from Toyota. Even the aftermarket shops like AutoZone, Napa or O'Reilly, they will sell you perfectly matching piece. I'm just waiting for it. It will be delivered any second, I believe. And hopefully that's the truth, and it will be easy to put it back. Here I want to show you another detail of that hook, maybe with a different color behind that, so you can see the detail. And hopefully the delivery parts guy will be here soon. I don't want that new wiper blade end up scraping the window with all this dust and sand. So I will just go really quickly, wipe that off. That's way better, don't you think? And here is what O'Reilly had for me today for this vehicle. So let's see if it fits. And here is a great fact or feature for anybody who's trying to do it themselves. That wiper will fit there only one way. The lower part has to be the one towards the arm. Otherwise you will be not able to put it there. So I will just go ahead and find the right spot this way, and it will click in. I should be standing where the camera is. I always make a mistake trying not to get in your way. Oh, that's it. So it goes easily in, and then you click it. Let's listen to it. Yeah, and that's basically installed. It cannot fall out. It's a very smart design. Now I can lower it and see, it looks perfectly like OEM. There's no difference. The plastic is nice and black. This is obviously that lost its deep black color because it's exposed to UV and sun, but that's a perfectly matching. There's no difference. It's a factory match. I will push this back and we are done. Let's go and see if it works. It's always a good idea to go and try if it works correctly, that it doesn't fall off or something. I didn't spray my camera. As you saw, it works perfectly, and that means we have another successful DIY video for the fans of Toyota brand. I hope many of you will find it helpful in the future for this simple maintenance. If you like it, please give it a thumb up, it always helps. And stay tuned, be subscribed, I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.